Wenjing is keen to experience traditional German cuisine. Her mother is visiting Germany for the first time from China. Mother and daughter decide to go on a culinary adventure.
I'm Wenjing. I study at the University of Stuttgart and my mum's here to visit.
Their plan is to wander through the Black Forest together and sample the local food. Wenjing wants to make beef roulade so her mother can try German cooking. The first step is to head to a traditional German butcher.
We're just looking around a bit. She's amazed by how many types of meat there are.
It's with veal, ham, cheese and spinach, a lovely German Maultaschen dumpling. In Swabia, we also like eating potato salad with it, with beef broth, a bit of grated onion over it, oil and vinegar. I guess you don't get that where you come from.
No, it was a bit confusing for me. What are these dishes? But you can always ask.
Try some.
Can I? Thanks.
Your mom's getting used to Swabian food.
I'm inviting some friends to dinner today.
And cooking Swabian?
Yes. Could you tell me how to make traditional beef roulade?
We always recommend a classic roulade with pickle and mustard and a bit of onion. Roll it up, put a root vegetable in the pan with it, then sear it. Afterwards, you mash the vegetable to thicken the sauce. I hope it's a good meal. How long are you staying?
Another 20 days.
Lovely. Have a nice time together. Bye-bye.
She's got the beef, but how to make the sauce?
Did the lady say tomato sauce? No? What do we still need for the sauce? I'll check Google later. You have to put vegetables in. Something's missing. Tomato paste? Oh, wrong recipe. There are so many recipes for beef roulade. I think these soup vegetables will give the sauce a nice aroma.
And what's this?
It's cucumber, onion. We need vegetables for the sauce. I didn't quite understand. The key thing is to sear the beef quickly, yeah. My friends are here.
Her mother, her friend Dandan, and the guests all help out with Wenjing's first beef roulade.
Do you have to peel these?
Normally you do.
Like this? Amazing.
Beef is used less frequently than chicken in Chinese cuisine, but cooking is always an important part of life.
Hast du früher auch selber gemacht?
A bit more, please, Mum.
Ni hao ma.
Instead of saying, how are you, we say, have you eaten? If I asked if you've eaten, it means, how's it going? Food is so important for Chinese people.
Gradually, the beef roulade begins to take shape. Swabian cooking can't be mastered without a bit of internet research. New questions keep popping up.
Simone, help!
You need help?
I have to leave that cook for an hour. But what do I do with the sauce?
Maybe you can puree the vegetable. The cooked vegetable gets tender and then mushed up. That thickens the sauce.
Ah, okay.
肯定不会的，你不要试，肯定有很多水。说今天不用淋粉。
My mum doesn't believe me about the mashed vegetables. I'll show you later. Oh, I'm speaking to my mum in German. Do we have something to puree the vegetables?
There's a thing called a stick blender. I don't know if you have one.
Dan Dan has to get creative in order to puree the vegetables.
Das ohne Loch.
Ja, vielleicht auch das.
Ja. 你们真行的。
We can do it.
But in China,
In China, it's really common for the parents to cook everything. Every evening meal. The children hardly ever do it for the parents.
Was für die Eltern.
The cooks find a way and soon the sauce is ready.
Schon gut. Schon gut. Dankeschön. Und noch. Sieht doch gut.
It looks good.
Gut. Guten Appetit.
Guten Appetit. 蛮好吃的，蛮好吃的，蛮好吃的，挺有嚼劲的。对的，
She likes the bread dumplings because they've got a bit of spice in them. She hardly eats any beef.
Genau. Ganbei.
Danke für das Kommen.
Thanks for coming.
When Jing and her mother take a trip to the world-famous Black Forest, known to Germans as the Schwarzwald, they want to learn how to make another traditional German dish, Black Forest cake. So they're taking a cake-making class.
Welcome to the Black Forest course. We're going to make a Black Forest cake together. The most typical region dish after Black Forest ham.
Everything here is perfectly prepared by hand. A key ingredient is cherry schnapps. Will the confectioner reveal his trade secrets?
Making Black Forest cake is fairly easy, once you know how.
Mother and daughter have a taste. You can tell it's her mother's first Black Forest cake.
国内好像没吃过，上海没吃过。Sie hat gemeint, der
She said the baker was very generous with the cream. She likes it a lot.
When Jing is enjoying the short time she has with her mother, they don't often get the chance to be together.
I've never seen so many cows. So I took a photo of her with the cows.
How do they cope with living so far apart?
Sie hat gemeint, sie vermisst.
She said she misses me terribly and she wants me to go back to China after I finish studying.
Dass ich nach dem Studium zurück nach China, aber das ist eigentlich
But that's really my decision.
Und sie wird mich
And she'll support me either way.
Sie wünschte einfach,
She just wants the best for me to find a good job and have a family.
einen guten Job finde und eine Familie zu haben.
No matter where I am in the world,
Egal wo ich bin, solange
as long as I'm happy.
fröhlich bin, glücklich bin.
I think I've become a mix of German and Chinese. I think a big difference between German and Chinese people is their way of life.
Time for a meal in a Black Forest inn.
Hello, welcome. Here we have the veal knuckle, and here's the shoulder. This is a kind of bacon, and this is the roast pork.
My mother thinks that typical German food is beer and meat like they often have at Oktoberfest. The portions are pretty big too. We couldn't quite finish.
With so much on offer, it's hard to choose. For Wenjing's mother, it's all new, but her daughter is used to it.
Can I offer you something to drink?
Is the wine local too?
Yes, from close by.
Then I'll try it.
The red? Certainly. And for you?
Wenjing and her mother have one more stop on their culinary journey. German Sunday breakfast with a soft-boiled egg, an experience in itself. Thoroughly German cuisine. For Wenjing and her mother from Shanghai, it's at times mouth-watering, at times mystifying. Either way, it's best enjoyed with a healthy dollop of curiosity for the unknown.